Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide apps in Samsung A17. If you're using Samsung A17 and you want to hide your apps, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app. From here, just scroll down and look for home screen settings. And here you will easily get the option of hide apps on home screen and app screen. Just tap on it. And here, just look for the app which you want to hide. And I'm going to hide, let's say, Messenger. Just tap on it. Then tap on done. It will hide app from your home screen, so you just have to tap on it again if you want to get any more apps. So here you will easily get your hidden apps. You can see I have one Messenger app on my home screen. On app screen I can only find it in my hidden apps. Just go for hidden apps here, and here just tap on it to unhide the app. Once you have unhide, you can easily get it on your home screen or lock screen. Just unhide it and then tap on done. So that's how you can easily hide or unhide apps in Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.